Hey everyone, my name is Lucy, but you can call me Lou, and welcome to my channel. So today, as you can see, I'm going to show you how to get this huge flower crown that you can do at home. So if you want to see how I got this flower crown, please keep on watching. Hey everyone, so I'm going to show you what materials you're going to need to make your at-home flower crown. First, you're going to need some headbands. These are the thin ones. I prefer the thin ones, but you can get the thicker ones if you want. Some scissors, fake flowers. I got mine from a bargain store, but I know you can get them from the dollar store or Michael's. This is floral tape. This is optional, but throughout the video I'll show you what you can do with this. A glue gun and a glue stick. So now that we have our materials, I'll show you how to make your flower crown. So before we get started, I'm going to show you one that I've made already in the past, and this is what it looks like. This is the front, and then this is the back. It's nothing on the back except for the headband. So the one we're going to make today is going to be similar to that. So first you want to take a headband, whatever color you want, and then you want to take the flower head off of the stems of these. So you can just like pull them off, and you can use however many you want. So it was 5 of these, but because these are bigger, I'm only going to use 3. So like the ones on here, if I can get them, I could use more because they were smaller, but because these are bigger, I'm only going to use 3. So don't need those. Headband already here, so now I'm just gonna like place them on here just to get a general idea of what it'll look like. So this is going to be the back, and then this is going to be the front. So this is what it's going to look like right now. Now that these are cut, so all of them are flat now, they're going to look like this. I'm going to glue them onto the headband now. So I'm going to put the actual glue on the headband and not on the back of these. So now I'm just holding it on here, and you want to be fast when you do this, because if you let this glue dry, it's going to be really hard, and then you're going to have to start over. So make sure that you have everything right here when you're gluing this on here. And I like to hold mine down for a couple of seconds, and then there it is. There's one, and then I'll come back and show you the other 2. Okay, and this is what all 3 of them looks like on the headband right now. So this is what the front looks like, and then here's the back, just the headband itself. So now what we're going to do is add some leaves to it. So just like this one has leaves on it, I'm going to add leaves to this one too. I just like how the leaves look because you just don't have like flowers right there. It just gives it more character or something. So just like we did the flowers, I'm going to just slide these off of here. And I have 3 flowers, so I'm going to use 3 of these, and then I'll just add them on as I need them. So they look like this. They have like the little point like on the flowers as well. So as you can see, I put the leaves like in between the flowers. So let me turn this around towards me. I'm just going to put them like here. And I'm going to turn them so that I know what it'll look like when I put it on there. So this is just to give me an idea of how they'll look. So it needs to be up some. So because the flowers are so big, what I'm going to have to do is like actually glue them to, let me flip this over. Actually glue them to the flowers, because if we put them down here, because they're so big, you're not going to see them. So I'll just have to glue them like here to give them that like leaf look. So I'm going to cut the backs off of these like I did the flowers. Take my glue gun and I'm going to put it on the back of the flower where I want it to be, and then I'm just going to glue it on. And you don't have to do it all at one time. You can just do it one at a time because the glue is going to dry fast. So I'm going to put it here and here. So then when they go back, you can still see the leaves. It's how you can customize it. So I want to put, so here's one. Here's the leaf that I already did. So I like to put my leaves at the top. I like to put them at the top and at the bottom. So I'm trying to put one here. But as you can see, it's like, it's just a lot going on right here. It's crowded. So what I'm going to do is take one of these leaves and I'm going to cut it down so that it'll fit. But I'm going to go in the same shape. I'm going to go in the same shape as the leaf. So I'm going to do the other side. I'm just going to go around and cut it. So here's the one I cut, and this is what the other one looks like. So I just cut it down so that it fits the way I want it to fit. So now when I put that wherever I want to put it, it'll fit in there. So you can cut these and customize these the way that you want. Okay, I'm back. So here is what my flower crown looks like with the leaves so far, and I really like this. This is cute. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some little like rhinestones. I thought about this afterwards. So oh, and I got these from Hobby Lobby. So I'm gonna take these out, and then I'm gonna put some of these on the leaves, and I'm gonna put some on the petals of the flowers as well. And they're like, they're not tiny, but they're like a good enough size. So I'm gonna put these like down here and like on the petals, and then I'll come back and show you what it looks like. Okay, so this is what it looks like with the rhinestones and everything on it, and I think it looks really nice. It just added like a cute little touch. So if you don't want the back of this to show, this is where your floral tape will come in. You can take this tape and you can put it around the back of this, and I'm going to show you how to do that. So you just take this off. This is the tape. Mine is a little old, so it's not as sticky, but it is like sticky on both sides. So what I'm gonna do is just cut a piece off, and then I'm just gonna put this on around the back just to cover this part so you don't see it. So I'm just going in and I'm just going to wrap this around this like this. So I'm at the end of it. This is what it looks like. So you're not going to see any of that. This part is going to be on your head, and this green part right here is going to be in the back. So I'm at the end of it, and I'm just going to go around, and then I'm going to cut it. And then I'm going to just secure it. So see, it's sticking to itself. This is the end of it. It's sticking to itself. So I'm not going to have to put anything else on it. It's just going to stick. But if you want it to be more secure, you can just put some glue on it so that you absolutely know that it's not going to go anywhere. Now with this, because it is sticky, if you plan on wearing this, you're gonna have to wait until it dries, because like I said, it is sticky. So the only way it's not going to be sticky is you're gonna have to wait until it dries. I would wait, I would probably give it like anywhere from like 3 to 6 hours, just because you don't want it not all the way dry and then something comes off or something falls off. I've had that happen because I was so pressed to wear it. So I would wait 3 to 6 hours to wear this. What I'm doing now is just going on the other side, putting a small piece just to make sure you don't see any green. I mean, not any green, like any beige from that headband. And again, I'm gonna cut it and secure it. This is the final look. I know these flowers are huge, but I am here for it. I think this is so cute. And then I got my bun. It's just because I got big hair. So the big flowers are for like if you have bigger hair, or like if you have a fro, this would be really cute. These flowers are huge, but I'm really here for this. Like, who doesn't want to have flowers on their head? I just feel like everybody should have a flower crown. You need at least like one, and this was super easy to do, and it's on here nice and sturdy. I'm giving like wedding flower child right now, but this is so cute. So please give me a thumbs up if you liked the video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.